Hello guys, so today I will show you a video editing app, other effects and all of that. I will show in the video. Subscribe to me, like the video, share it with our friends. It's a really cool app. I recommend everyone downloading it. Put the link of it in the description. And now I'm going to show you the app. Here you are at the app. Let's press on the plus icon first of all. So now let's go to I have a video I'll show you 1 second. One second, let me just search for a video. Okay, let's just get this video right here. First of all, let's tap on it, go to audio, go to volume, press on it and then make it 0 because of copyright. So now it has nothing, it just has at first it has something so now first let's go to text. Let's press on edit. Let's make the sound on for a second. Let's make it a little bit. Okay, so let's go back to volume and make it 0. Now let's write for the day and enough. I go to fonts. I recommend everyone use, where is it, 1 second, I think so it is I recommend you guys using the effect, the font called the Birux, whatever it is. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Let's put it here too. At least settle down. And now let's go to animation. First let's go to effects. It has effects. It has more effects of water even. Okay, I'll use this one. Let's go to animation. Let's press on overall. Blink. What's blink do? What's the floating do? And wiggle. Actually, let's go on this one right here. So now let's check. Let's make the don't do that. Let's make the wall audio. No, don't reverse it. Audio a little so I can hear. Actually don't want to. Oh, so I can't show they're not letting me show it because they saw my screen recording. But I can see now. Saw it. You at least saw it. So that's okay for now. Animation, I told you, sorry. Color, you can change color, but I'm gonna keep it red how it was. And the mask, stroke, I recommend you guys putting the stroke of which color you put and make the not stroke, sorry, shadow, but I may also make the shadow more. It just makes this thing better. It's showing. Don't know why it's not showing correctly. It's properly showing a bit. So these are the stuff for the text. You can check the other out yourself. like mixer that will just like put a like a video on top of this, like a over whatever it's called for. Sorry, forgot. Overall or something. It's called something like overall or something. Forgot. So here you have to press on the 16.9 because that's the size of a video. You can add backgrounds like black and all of these, but I recommend this using black because it's better. It looks not like the people put like the other colors. You can use like a good background, like how I used in my videos sometimes. It's not like, see, there are stickers like these. Does it come? The class, other stuff like these, and you can, if you press and delete, if you want to delete, I'll show you the other ones. The video leap ones you have to get it with only premium, because you see the crown icon, that means they're for premium only. So now let's go back, go to like audio. I'll already showed you this of audio stuff, but there are like videos. You can get stock videos or artists videos, or you can only add videos from your like this thing. If you press on the artist thing, sound effects you already know, like it's just like if you they're all for premium version because they have a crown. You can see these are also for premium version. You can use them. Yeah, these ones here, the alarm clock, doorbell, all these. Voice over, like if you want to, if you didn't record while like making videos, so you have to voice over, so you can do that, so you can record again. Let's make it here. I'm not filter right now, by the way. Let's go to presets. I mean, this one looks better. Let me try it out. 1 second. Let me tap on the video. So we saw it. So like you can add other effects. Glitch. I'll show you one other effects. Like if I want to do here, and then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna keep it to like at least like here, about this time. I'm gonna tap on the video and I'm gonna press and play. Wait, it didn't even show correctly. Let's make it more bigger. You see the so the background, like it has a little change. We're gonna do glitch will like do more, like if you want to like blur something or something, you can use the glitch effect and the top lab, and the adjust it for premium version. Settings you can like check, or you can log in, or you can do other stuff. Like if you want to like change the project right now, you can just change it. And if you want to contact them, you can contact. From here, see if you person contact us. The only I did something that's only for premium version, so I have to remove the something. But you can just like get the premium version. It's only $8 a month. You can just get $8 a month, or one-time purchase will be $7 a month. 12 months, $36 a month. You can actually use that one instead of buying the one-time purchase. That's like for like 2 months. That's for like 2 years, the one-time purchase, and you just have to pay like $30 a year. So that's not that much. But if you want, you can just buy the one-time purchase. So basically I showed you how to use the app. So I hope you like the video. Subscribe to me, share with all your friends, comment what you want to make next, and bye.